Hello everyone, this is Sasha Monique Talks. I'm here with another review. Today I am reviewing this cinnamon cake from Walmart. So I have been seeing these little cakes and they're 50 cents. And I said this is a good way to get a little snack where you're not eating too much. It's good to put in the kids' lunch and it's good for me because I'm not really supposed to eat sweets, but it is so little. For 50 cents, this is perfect. So I'm going to open it up and put it on my plate. So this is in the area where they have the cakes, I guess, that Walmart produce or bake or whatever. That's what it looks like on my plate. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. So let me start. You can definitely taste that cinnamon, but it's not too much of it. It's just right. It's so fresh and moist. It seems like I can taste all the ingredients and the spices. It has a little sugar, like glaze on top. They have different kinds. They got the chocolate one, the lemon one. I'm going to try all of them. This would be perfect for me when I go to my appointments and I just need a little snack. I can't believe how moist it is. It's very sweet now. It is. It's real sweet. That's what I like about it. I'm just about finished, y'all. I enjoyed that. If I had a bigger cake, honestly, I would be going back for more. This kind of controls my sweets. This way I still get to enjoy some cake, but I'm not overdoing it. This size is a 2.4 ounce. Freshness guaranteed. So when you go to Walmart, look in the area where they have the cakes. They have Patty LaBelle's pies and stuff. Walmart's like marble cake and different kind of cakes and pies they have. And they have that right in the area of those products. Please go and try it out. It's really good. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, please like, please comment, and subscribe. You have a wonderful day now.